Hi guys, it's D.I.C.E and welcome back. So today we're going to be solving the Ivy cube. So the Ivy cube is so far one of the easiest cubes that I've ever encountered. It doesn't need probably any algorithms, and it can be done intuitively, and it's similar to this cube, like the movements and the principles of it. Well, so let's just go ahead and scramble our cube and let's start solving. So basically the first thing we have to do is solve for the white face. So where the two white corners are, so this is the first one and this is the second, that should be the white face. So we just turn this up and now we have our white face. Very easy. So now let's go ahead and look for the white center, and it's over here. So what we have to do is to put this up, and as you can see, we're gonna be putting this out of the way, so we can just put this away, put this back, and put it back, so that we have our white face complete. After that, we need to solve for the opposite face, the yellow side. So basically, you just look for the yellow corners, it's here, and the other one here. So we can do the yellow face without even disrupting the white face if you do it correctly. So first, we have to put this up, and then we put this out of the way, we put this back, and then we put this back, and now we have our yellow face and also the white face. So as you can see, we have solved the white face, and the same goes for the yellow face, and we have luckily solved the red face. So what we have to do in this last step is to put the solved face down and the white and yellow on both left and right sides. So what we have to do first is to look for the top color, so that will be orange. This is supposed to be the orange face. So let's look for the orange center, and that's here. So it goes like this. You have to first put up the orange, and then turn the cube 180 degrees, and then we put this up, the green. Turn the cube 180 degrees again, and then we put this back. You just undo your move, and then go back, and then undo your move here, and now we have switched these three centerpieces. There can also be a time when all the four other faces are incorrect, like these need to be swapped, and the same goes for these two. So you can just do the algorithm once. So it's to put this up 180 degrees, put this up, and then undo your move, and then undo it again. So now we have fixed one layer, and we have the three faces wrong again. So we can just do it one more time. So it's the blue, we put this up, undo the move, and undo the move again. And now we have solved our Ivy cube. As I've said earlier in the video, this is one of the easiest cubes, so that's gonna be all for the Ivy cube. So what did you think? Do you have anything to say? Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to know if I posted a new video. Thank you guys for watching. D.I.C.E out!